Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Today we're going to be cleaning up two perfect handle screwdrivers to go in my collection. This is going to be relatively a quick video, but we're also going to be doing the drawing for the winner of the pipe wrench giveaway. So that's going to be pretty exciting. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. They're slowly starting to get there. Slowly starting to get there. Looking a little bit better. Let me throw them on the wire wheel real quick. I do like that brushed look. That's what the brushed look looks like. I like that a lot. I think that's going to be perfect, you know? Let's see if this one will clean up just as well. This is the smaller. Alright guys, I'm quite happy with that. What do you think we throw a nice little coat of stain on the handles? Oh yeah. Alright. We are going to go with red mahogany. I think that would be a good color choice. Make them a nice dark handle. I'm gonna let that set on there for a while, soak in as much as it can. Then we'll wipe it off. I'm just gonna put it in my screwdriver holder right there. Do the same with these. This. We're probably going to put a lacquer on here and then multiple layers of, I'm thinking wax. We'll get this thing shiny and looking good. Know what I mean? Alright guys, while we're waiting on the handles to dry up, there was how many entries, honey?
62.
62 entries. I got 62 entries here in a glass jar, and Miss Chrissy is going to pick the winner. I would have picked it myself, but we don't have a jar to where my big handle fit in there, so Chrissy's going to do it. Is that one?
Yeah, that's only one.
All right. Ivan Styles. Captain Ivan. All right. I don't know if that's going to show up. Hopefully it will. Ivan Styles. Congratulations, brother. You won. Matter of fact, I'll even send that to you too. If you would, bro, send me a, here honey, if you would send me a email. My email will be in the description. Yeah, send me an email and we'll get it right out to you. All right, brother? So congratulations, everyone give Captain Ivan a round of applause. All right, cool. That was awesome. We gotta save this so this can go with, we're gonna save this and this is gonna get sent to you too, Cap. So that's pretty cool. All right, so that's done. I just wiped the bulk of the stain off these, and now we are going to throw a real quick clear coat on there, and then we'll get the waxing. That'll be nice. So let's do that. I'm gonna go with the Vodka lacquer. Spin you out here so you can see what I'm doing. It's literally just a real quick coat. I just want to seal that color in. That'll be lovely. That's awesome. Ivan Styles won. Captain Ivan. To the rest of you guys who entered, thank you very much. I truly do appreciate it. So we're going to throw a bit of Johnson's paste wax on this. Get it in there real good like. We're going to put it on the metal, everything. Get all the extra wax up. Get that on this one. Let that sit there a minute. Well, all right, guys, we're all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Like I said, it was going to be a quick video. These were in relatively good shape, so yep, that's them. Alrighty, guys, well, we are all done with the 2 perfect handle screwdrivers. I love the way these turned up. I'm quite happy indeed. Let's put them in their home. Nice. I want to thank each and every one of you guys who entered the contest. I truly appreciate it. Great big round of applause to Captain Ivan Stiles, who won the contest. Hit me in the email below and I'll get that sent right out to you, alright? Like always, guys, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.